Dear children, we were discussing about the advent of Europeans to India. The French, the Dutch, the British and the Portuguese came to India for the purpose of trade. India was rich in the production of spice items. There was great demand for spice items in European market. Therefore, these Europeans came to India for the purpose of trade. And British established East India Company in the year 1600 AD. The French established the East India Company in the year 1664 AD. The Dutch established the Trade East India Company in the year 1602 AD. And the British established their trade centers at Madras, Bombay, Calcutta, Ahmedabad and other places. French established their trade centers at Pondicherry, Nagapatana, Machilipatana, Chandranagar and Mahe. Then Dutch established their trade centers at Kochi, Karaikal, Pulikkot, Satara, Surat and other places. Then Portuguese established their trade centers at Goa, Dayu, Daman, Salsette, Basin and other places. In the beginning, all these Europeans were concentrated on trade. As the days went by, they took to politics. They wanted to establish their rule in India. Robert Clive was a young soldier in the British East India Company. He was a man of ambition. He was interested to help the British East India Company to establish its colony in India. Therefore, he declared war against Siraj Dowlah. Siraj Dowlah was the governor of Bengal. Plassey battle was fought in the year 1757 AD. It was fought between British and the Nawab of Bengal. Robert Clive led the British army. Siraj Dowlah led the Bengal army. Robert Clive defeated Siraj Dowlah in the Battle of Plassey. Then Dupleix was the French governor in India. Dupleix was also man of courage, man of ambition. He wanted to strengthen the French centers in India. Mahe was the center, Pondicherry was the capital of French in India. British sunk the French ship in Indian Ocean. Therefore, Dupleix waged war against British. Dupleix occupied Madras. Then British requested Nizam of Hyderabad to get back Madras, but Dupleix refused. Then British attacked Pondicherry, but Dupleix defeated British. Dupleix was a strong ruler. He was a strong French governor. He tried to establish French rule in India. Then Robert Clive established a dual government in India. According to dual government, British collected the tax and Nawab looked after the administration and social justice. Nawab had no money to do the administration because British collected the money. There was no money with the Nawab. British made money and they strengthened their economic prosperous in India. Then Sir Haricourt was the commander-in-chief of the British Army. 3 Carnatic wars broke out in India between French and British. In the Battle of Vandivash, Sir Héricourt defeated Bussy. Bussy was the commander-in-chief of the French army. The war took place at a place called Vandivash. After the Vandivash war, French left India because Sir Héricourt defeated Bussy. Bussy was the commander-in-chief of the French army. After Bussy was defeated, Count de Lally surrendered to British army. Count de Lally was the French governor in India. Therefore, Sir Héricourt helped British to establish their rule in Carnatic. The entire Carnatic came under the control of British after the Third Carnatic War. Sir Thomas Rao was a statesman, a politician. He was an ambassador to Mughal Empire. At that time, Jahangir was the Nawab of Jahangir was the Badshah of Mughal Empire. He was the emperor of Mughal rule. He welcomed Sir Thomas Rao, and Sir Thomas Rao was also British governor after Robert Clive left India. So, dual government was established. According to dual government, British got the power to collect the tax. Nawab looked after the administration. When was the Battle of Plassey fought? Battle of Plassey was fought in the year 1757 AD. It was fought between Robert Clive and Siraj-Dowlah. Robert Clive was a soldier in the East India Company, and Siraj-Dowlah was the Nawab of Bengal. Siraj-Dowlah was defeated, and Mir Jafar was appointed as the Nawab of Bengal, and Siraj-Dowlah was killed after the battle. So this is about today's explanation, and we'll go to question and answer part. Who was Dupleix? Dupleix was a French governor in India. He defeated British in the First Carnatic War. Dupleix established French state centers in India. He made Pondicherry as the capital of French in India. I'll repeat it. Who was Dupleix? Dupleix was the French governor in India. He defeated British in the First Carnatic War. Dupleix established French trade centers in India. He made Pondicherry as the capital of French in India. Who was Robert Clive? Robert Clive was a young soldier in the British East India Company. He introduced dual government. He also defeated Siraj-Dowlah in the Battle of Plassey. Battle of Plassey was fought in the year 1757 AD. Who was Sir Héricourt? Sir Héricourt was the commander of British Army. Sir Héricourt was commander of British Army in India. He defeated Bussy, the French commander. He defeated Bussy, the French commander. In the Battle of Vandivash, French left India after this war. Sir Héricourt was commander of the British Army. He defeated Bussy, the French governor, in the Battle of Vandivash. French left India after this war. Who was Thomas Rao? Sir Thomas Rao was a British ambassador to Mughal court. Jahangir was the Mughal emperor. He was also British governor after Robert Clive. Thomas Rao was a British ambassador to Mughal court. Jahangir was the Mughal emperor. He was also British governor after the rule of Robert Clive in India. This much you take to notes, and by the answers, we will continue the lesson next.